Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 3.7 question number 10. Find the LCM of the following numbers, that is 9 and 4, 12 and 5, 6 and 5, 15 and 4. Observe a common property in the obtained LCMs. If is LCM the product of two numbers in each case? Let us find. That is 10a. Question number A. A is 9 and 4. Right? 9 and 4. Find the LCM of 9 and 4. 9, 4. 9 and 4 are such number that it is divisible by only 1, by no other number. 9, 4. Therefore, we can say the LCM of 9 and 4, LCM of 9 and 4, 9 and 4 is equal to 4 into 9, that is 36. That is 36. Right? Now, question number B. LCM of 12 and 15. We are finding the LCM of 12 and 15. 12 and 15. 12 and 5. Now you see that this number 12 and 5 is only divisible by 1. By no other number it will be divisible. Right? Therefore, you have to find the LCM of number is multiple of 1 into 12 into 5. That is 60. Therefore, LCM of 12 and 5, 12 and 5 is equal to, what you get? 1 into 12 into 5, that is equal to 5 12 is 60. Here we getting 1 into 9 into 4, 4 9 is 36 in the first case and 60 in the second case. Now that is, it is LCM of 12 and 5 is 60. Right? Now question number C. What is question number C? Number is 6 and 5. Number is 6 and 5. That is LCM of 6 and 5. 6 and 5. Right? Here you see, if we find the LCM of 6 and 5, 6 and 5, we are getting it is divisible by 1 only, but by no other number. Therefore, LCM is 1 into 6 into 5, that is 5 6 is 30. Right? Therefore, it is 30. Right? Next, D. Question number D. Question number D is 15 and 4. Therefore, LCM of 15 and 4 is equal to, here we find the LCM of 15 and 4, 15 and 4. You will see that it is divisible by only by 1, but by no other number. Right? Therefore, LCM is 1 into 15 into 4, 1 into 15 into 4. That is 15 4 is 60. Right? Therefore, here the number is 60. Now, the question is, observe a common property in an obtained LCM. What is a common property? Common property is that, what is the common property? We will find the common property in each case. What is the common property? There are three common properties. First property is that the LCM is the multiplication of the two numbers. Multiplication of two numbers. LCM is multiplication of the given number. Multiplication. This is our observation. Multiplication of two numbers. Multiplication of two numbers is the LCM of these numbers. Right? There is LCM of 9 and 4 is 4 into 9, that is 36. LCM of 12 and 5 is multiplication of 12 and 5, that is 60. LCM of 6 and 5 is the multiplication of 6 and 5, that is 30. And LCM of 15 and 4 is the multiplication of 15 and 4, that is 60. Right? That is what is observed. That is that LCM of these numbers is the multiplication of the given number. This is the first observation. Second observation is that you see that all are even numbers. Right? The second observation is that all are even numbers. All are even numbers. Right? The first property is that multiplication of two numbers. Second property is even number. And the third property, what we will get, that this is multiple of 3. All the numbers are multiple of 3. all the numbers are multiple of 3, right? These are the observation, multiple of 3. There are three properties you get. First, that the LCM of all the numbers are the multiplication of the two numbers. Number 2 is even number, and number 3 all the numbers are multiple of 3. And this is the property. Is LCM the product of two numbers in each case? The answer is yes. We got the property also. Therefore, you can say that therefore LCM is the product. LCM is the product of two numbers, two numbers in each case, two numbers in each case, right? This is the solution of question number 10. We got three property. First is that LCM is the multiplication of the two given numbers. Number 2 is all are even numbers, and number 3 all numbers are multiple of 3. These are the three properties. And the last property is LCM the product of two numbers in each case? The answer is yes. LCM is the product of two numbers in each case. This is the solution of question number 10.